Today's gospel is our own experience with the devices that we have, whether we have Siri in iPhone or Alexa in Android. The recognition of the voice, if you all know how the speech to text is recognized, all our speech becomes a text. Similarly, the voice of the shepherd is recognized by the sheep, and we recognize the voice of Jesus. Always there are moments we hear the two voices. Then we always ask, where does this voice come from? And we also wish that if we follow Jesus and we are appreciated, and we wish somebody else also follows, behaves like Jesus. Veronica had two sons, Godwin and Kevin. Godwin elder, Kevin younger. And Veronica put them into the Jesuit school so that they learn good catechism, Because, all Jesuits take special vow to teach catechism. So she put both the sons to the Jesuit school. And it was Wednesday, Veronica prepares nice dosa, morning by breakfast. So both the sons came to the dining hall, refectory, and she was busy in the kitchen. And she heard yelling and shouting, and both of them were fighting. And she ran from the kitchen and asked them, what happened to Kevin and Godwin? Why are you fighting? So Kevin said, we are fighting who would get the first dosa. We are fighting for it. What is the use of sending you to the Jesuit school? What have you learned? What catechism you have learned? What the Jesuits have taught you? If Jesus were to be one of you, he would say, not me first, my brother first. Then immediately Kevin said in a loud voice, Mummy, please ask Godwin to be Jesus today. You look at all the problems that we face, whether it's a land problem or the political problem or social problems, all the problems, because people don't behave like Jesus. And people are against us because we don't behave like Jesus. And here we have a nice guru, Xavier, who imitated Jesus the best of his ability, and he shown us the way. So we are blessed today to ask this grace that Xavier intercede for us, that we behave like Jesus, and we also experience the joy of following the resurrected Jesus in our life. So we pause for a while, pray for ourselves, pray for our families who think of us, who remember us, who asked us our prayers.